Hi there, my name is John Cant from Redaka, and in this video I'm going to show you how to translate an infographic image file from English into Portuguese. So this is the English version that we start with, and we're going to put this Portuguese text on it using the Redaka infographic translation app. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to drag in our original image into the app. Now you can see that the app has put boxes of black boxes around where the text is. Now we only need to translate this top part here, so the rest at the bottom we don't need to translate. So I'm just going to select that and then deselect it for translation. So we click confirm, and then here we've got the option of either using Google Translate or a human translator. So the Redaka app integrates with a translation agency's platform, and we have human experienced native speakers to translate any text that you may require to be done by a real person. And they're on standby. Turnaround times is around about an hour for popular languages. So yeah, it's very fast. In this case, I'm going to use Google because it's instant. So I'm going to translate it into Portuguese. So I'll just select Portuguese from the list, click translate, click confirm. And there you go. You can see it's almost removed the text. We just need to do a little bit of tidying up. There's a couple of white blotches here. Try and do the diagonal too. Then we click clean up. And there you go. You see it's cleaned up nicely. We click next. And it's pulled in the Portuguese text. A little bit of adjustment to do. It's put an orange tint on the text. So we will just make that white to stand out a bit more. I'm just going to stretch it so it becomes over 2 lines as well. Let me just make sure it's in the space. Might need to decrease it slightly, and I'll change the font to a narrower font. Centralize it, make it bold. I'm just going to spread it out a little bit as well. There we go. That looks a bit better. I could probably increase the text size now. Here we go. Yeah, that looks good. I'm happy with that. So once I'm happy, I just click export image and it downloads to my computer. So that's how to translate an infographic image file from English into Portuguese. Get started with 5 free credits. Visit redaka.co.